Hey, welcome to No Brainer. In this lecture, we will discuss about quantiles and percentiles. There are many ways to calculate quantiles, each gives slightly different results. To understand this, let us consider we measure something like weights, etc. for some data points. Assume we have taken around 20 data points and we got 20 values from it. If we measure the median value of it, we're pretty sure that we get the median value over here. And this median value tells us that 50% of the values have higher weights and 50% of the points got lower weights. That means below the median, we got 50% of data. Mathematically, median is a quantile as it splits the whole data points into two equally sized groups. As we see, half of the data points are above this quantile and half of the data points are below this quantile. Technically, we represent this quantile as 50% or 0.5 quantile. Let the median value over here is 9.5. Thus, 50% or 0.5 quantile value over here is 9.5. If we could add two more lines, now as you see, the data is now divided into four equally sized groups. These lines are also called quantiles because they divide the data into equally sized groups. Simply, we can say quantiles are the lines that divide the data into equally sized groups. Median is a quantile because it splits the data into equal sized groups. This is called 50% quantile. We call this as 0.25 quantile or 25% quantile because of 25% of data points are below this quantile. And we call this as 0.75 or 75% quantile because around 75% of data points are below this line. Now, what is percentile then? Percentiles are the quantiles which divide the whole data points into 100 equally sized groups. As even if we divide the whole data set into 100 equal parts, if we observe the median, which is 50th quantile, will be in same place and it also be called as 50th percentile. Technically, that makes the data into half. Even its 4 parts are 100 parts, right? Similarly, this is called 75th percentile and this is called 25th percentile and this is called 0th percentile since there are no data points below that. Depending upon how we divide the data, we use this terminology percentiles and quantiles under its own group. As we see, there is 1 point under this, so we can represent this as 1 over 20 as one data point under it, which is like 5% quantile or 5th percentile, and this data point is 4 over 20, that is 20% quantile or 20th percentile. As I said earlier, there are different ways to calculate percentiles. If we have data set with less data points, the value could change much from method to method or depending upon the sample we took. If the data set is large, then we get approximately same result among all the methods. I will discuss much more regarding this in the future lectures. We have made it to the end of the no-brainer. If you like this no-brainer and want to see more exciting content, please do like, share and subscribe. And if you want more content on this, please follow my Instagram account. Link is in the description below. No-brainer.